You want to know the best ways to invest your money without picking individual stocks? Well, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but I'm going to tell you something. It can be confusing to know where to start when it comes to investing. Maybe you want to grow your money, but you feel overwhelmed by all the options that are out there. And the good news is you don't have to pick individual stocks to start building wealth. You know what I'm saying? In this video, we're going to explore the best investment options for yourself. So like ETFs and like mutual funds. These type of investments allow you to spread your money across many companies, which can help you to reduce the risk and increase your chances of making money. That's what I do. I love it. Here are 5 great options to think about. First one is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF for a broad mix of companies. The second one is the SPDR and S&P 500 ETF to invest in the top companies in America. The third one is Fidelity 500 Index Fund. So basically, these bumps. So basically for low cost exposure to the best US companies. You got T. Rowe Price Blue Chip Growth. You fund your growth over time with the big company. And Vanguard Total Bond Market Fund, if you're looking for something safer with steady returns. Look into these 5. They're in the description. And don't wait. Start investing today. Watch your money grow. It's about compound interest. If you like these picks, leave me a like. I love you.